Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to build credit card at 18 with no credit. So, in building a credit card at 18 with no prior credit history is a smart financial move. Here's step-by-step guide that I've made for you guys that that you're still 18 and have no credit yet or any credit history. So let's get started. First step is apply for a student credit. So when applying for student credit, many books offer student credit cards designed for individuals with a little to no credit history. Look for cards with annual fees and manageable credit limits. Use the credit responsibly. Keep your balance low and pay it off in full each month to avoid interest charge. And number two is become an authorized user. So this only for what do you call it? This one is only optional. But as a family member to trusted individual with good credit to add you as authorized users on their credit card. Ensure the primary cardholder has a history of timely payments as their behavior will impact your credit. And number three is open a secured credit card. So secure credit card requires a cash deposit as collateral, maybe estimated around $200 to $500. Use the card like a regular credit card. A new payment will be reported to credit bureaus, building your credit history. So when you build your credit history, when your credit history is very good, you will have more chance to get a higher credit limit, and the banks or maybe the people will more trust you with their credit cards. And number four, take out a credit builder loan. Some banks, credit unions offer credit builder loans where the borrowed amount is held in a savings account while you make payments. Once you've paid off the loan, you get the money and your timely payment boosts your credit. And number five, use a co-signer. So if you need a loan or a credit card but don't qualify on your own, ask someone with good credit to co-sign. Be responsible. Missed payments affect both your credit and your co-signers. So this one is also optional, but if you're really new and you don't qualify for it, just do this um part. But now let's move on to step six. Pay bills on time. Some rent reporting service, like Experiment Boost, allow you to report utility, phone, or rent payments to credit bureaus. Consistently paying bills on time helps establish good financial habits. And number seven, monitor your credits. Use free tools like Credit Karma or as you can see din, annualcreditreport.com to monitor your credit score and report. Watch for errors and ensure all accounts are reported accurately. And I'm gonna give you here a little bit of a tip while we're in this video. So a tip for you guys, I'm gonna give you two tips on this one. So tip number one, keep balance low and aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit. So the lower is better when using a credit card. Always remember that. So my tip for you guys is lower is better. And number two, avoid unnecessary application. And if you have too many credit inquiries can lower your score temporarily, but not permanently, but temporarily. So avoid too many credit inquiries. Just stick to one and then go with it and make your score higher. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.